guys, I'm gonna be making a video of Feed Me Cows. So yeah, they're desperate for feed. That was a fail if I've ever seen it. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Little baby cows. Okay, this is probably one of the most boring feedings I've ever seen. Come on. Cows. Well, that was a fail. If I've ever seen one. Let's watch some chickens eat. Ooh yeah. Chickens were a fail and the cows were a fail. Let's try the fishies. Ben, whenever I attempt to record a video, you always fail. I'm gonna post it anyway. Feeding the fishes. Really ain't getting much gameplay up in here. Not good enough.